order to grease your unit, you want to take some standard everyday grease. If you can find it, marine grade grease is always better. You will run it along the chain as you crank for all 3 of the different chains. Now before you hook this back up to your unit, you will want to move it around a bit so the grease can spread throughout all of the sprockets. You will also need to grease your brass bushings. If you ever hear a grinding noise coming from your unit, that is signs that it needs an immediate grease change. So you pull off the C-clip with some C-clip pliers, pull the bushing out. Then you're going to want to clean this with a rag. Then you can take some new grease, spread that along the edge of this lip, and then place that back onto the shaft. Replace your C-clip. And you are going to need to do that for all 6 bushings.